Start by drawing a vertical line and divide it into 3 sections. Draw a horizontal line passing slightly below the second mark on the vertical line here. Divide it into 5 sections. Since we're drawing an old character, the facial features will droop downward. Draw 2 vertical lines to mark the contours of the face. The face's square shape will emphasize the character's sternness. Mark the cheekbones on each side of the face here. Draw thick eyebrows like this. You'll notice that the face's features are drawn toward the center. Both the nose and the eyes extend upward slightly like this. Draw the nose like this. The cheeks should droop downward like this. Draw a pronounced chin. Finish the eyebrows. Draw the eyes. Here we'll add some wrinkles. The first starts at the top of the nose and extends downward like this. Here we'll draw a large mustache to add some character. Draw the reliefs for the chin. You don't need to draw a mouth since it's hidden by the mustache. Here we'll give him a beard. Draw the ears. Erase any unnecessary lines. Add the finishing details to the eyes. Remember to draw the contours of the eyes. Finalize the eyebrows. Add the contours. Add the final details to the facial hair like this. Finish drawing the hair. Here, we'll draw the outline of a shirt collar like this.